Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use your Android Auto to install apps, and in that way watch YouTube, surf on the web, and get some extra functionalities like mirroring your screen. So to do this, first things first, this phone, I've just connected it to Android Auto to set it up, but I haven't used it before. So just to show you, this is the Android device connected. So if I go to Android Auto on the head unit, wait for a little second, and we have Android Auto. You can see this is the first time I'm connecting to this phone, because now it's connecting by Bluetooth as well. So here we are. So this is the normal Android Auto. This is the map, so I can go into the menu. So this is our Android Auto as we know it. So now what we are going to do, I'm going to install an app called AAAD, and this will allow you to install some other applications so you can watch YouTube, even surf on Facebook if you want to, and generally have a mirror of your screen as well. So first things first, what we have to do is to go into the menu, settings, we scroll down to advanced features, and here we go into Android Auto, scroll all the way down until we see version right here. So we click here a few times, we continue to click until we have a notification there. So we allow development setting, we click on OK. Now this is done. We go to the three little dots right here, and we go into developer settings and scroll down and enable unknown sources. This will allow us to install apps in Android Auto. So we go out. Now we're going to look for AAAD. We send for Android Auto apps developer or something. So what we're going to do is we're going to open a browser. So we're going on Chrome. And we're going to search for AAAD, AAAD. And the first one we see here, so in GitHub, this is the official AAAD developer. Now we look for the app to download, and we go to download. And here it is. So AAD 1.4.4 release APK, that's the latest out there. So we're going to download this. We'll download it anyway. It will say it is unfold because it's not on the Google Store. They won't allow you to install something like that. So normally, if you never install something from an APK, you will get this warning. So we are not allowed to install from unknown sources, but we can bypass that. So we go to settings, and we're going to allow installation from the source. We go back, and now install. It's installing. Takes a moment, of course. From my experience, it does take quite a while to install. So if it asks you to wait or to cancel the installation, you just wait it out. Okay, it's installed. We can open it right here, or we can go back and look for it in the app drawer. And this is telling you to allow installation from unknown sources. We already did that in Android Auto. This was the first thing I showed you. So we're going to OK. And here is AAD. Sorry about that. So we're going to allow installation from sources, and here we are. So this is AAD, and all these are apps that you can now install on Android Auto. The app is free, but the free version you can download one app per month. I have the pro version on my S22 right here. It's not really expensive. It's €3.50 or something like that. It allows you to download everything at once, but it's not really necessary. So these are the apps. CarStream is basically YouTube for Android Auto. Mirroring apps is if you want to use apps on your phone on your Android head unit. And to know what they do, you just click and hold, and you're gonna have a small description of the app. So what it does, how it works, etc. So for this demo, I'm going to install Fermata Auto. Fermata Auto is a two-part download. So you have Fermata Auto and Fermata Control, and the control part will allow you to use the buttons on your steering wheel to control the app. So we are going to download Fermata Auto. Click OK. So OK. Wait for a second. So as I told you, it's going to take a little while to install. It's normal. So getting hot in here. Open. And here it is. So you want to install Fermata Control. Control is the second app which works together with Fermata Auto and will allow you to use the steering wheel as a remote. So installing that one as well, and it's done. Fermata Auto install. So this is going to take a little longer. It's the main app. Maybe I'm gonna get some Wi-Fi through the roof. Don't know. Okay, it's done. So it's installed right here. So no need to open it now. We just click done. We go back to the main screen, and now we can connect to Android Auto. So we are connected. We'll leave this here for now. And on the main screen, of course, we're going to Android Auto. So this is the usual screen. We start with the maps. Go in the menu, and here's Fermata right here. So we have Fermata Control. We're not going to use this. We're going to Fermata Auto. Click on it. What's good with this is that you can also use your map still. So this is Fermata Auto. We have folders. So if you have a folder with movies in your phone, you can add the folders here. Of course, you have to look for it if you have it on your SD card or whatnot. What's going to interest us here is these two here. So this one is the browser. We go into the browser, and it's a full-fledged web browser. Right now it's on Google. I can go on, let's say, we are going to Facebook. So Facebook.com, enter. And Facebook works. Of course, I'm not going to log in right now. I can go on YouTube, and here's YouTube. Let's see if I can find myself. So on YouTube, my name is Flukman. Search. So I'm going to play one of my own videos so that oh, well, but anyway, even if I don't have it, it works. So here you have it. Let's just type music and see what we have. So first thing that comes here. So here's some relaxing music. We put some volume. And what's good with this is that I can control it with the steering wheel. So if I click next, when I click that, it should go to the next movie. So here you have it. This one is a bit slow because it's not a so good phone. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you on my S22, which works a lot faster, and just to show you what can be done with it. So let me connect my phone. Here we have it. So Naruto. A lot faster, as you can imagine. So this is my phone where I have Fermata, and I also have Screen to Auto, which I can show you in a moment. So Fermata is going to be way faster. I have some folders already here. I have a movie folder, and go to YouTube, and let's just look for one of my own videos. So this is one of my videos. And if I want to move it forward, I just click on the steering wheel, and I can scroll through.
What? Half the time.
I can scroll through the videos. If I go back,
Visual effects can bring.
on the browser, I already logged in into YouTube, Facebook. So here's my Facebook. So here you have it. This is Fermata. This is Fermata Auto. You have a lot more to try. I have Screen to Auto as well, and this one mirrors my phone. It doesn't work quite smoothly yet, but I'm working on it. And what's good with this, say I want to listen to some music, and I want to navigate as well, so I just go back here, I open my navigator map and swap with Fermata. So it's going to play the audio.
G'day everyone, I'm Jazza, and I'm going to do exactly what I said in the thumbnail and title and
So
draw
here it is.
characters.
So it's playing the audio from
I'm
YouTube,
going to bet you've seen these before. Referred to by some as
and I can still navigate
painting.
my map.
Hang paint in some sort of receptacle with holes in it and swing.
So that's it for Fermata. Hopefully it was easy to follow, and I'll see you next time.